Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA 35 AMG 4MATIC for sale. This comes in a white exterior. We have a black interior. A really sharp, really nice, sporty four-door Mercedes-Benz here. And let's do a quick video walk-around tour, show you the vehicle and some of the features. And then if you're interested in learning more, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So we do have power memory seats. We've got our driver's seat here with lumbar support. Love this nice red stitching. You'll find the red accents throughout the vehicle. See the red seat belts there as well. Red stitching on your AMG styled steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. So mileage on this vehicle currently at 33,501 with a push button ignition. And so here we have our touchscreen display, currently showing radio and a backup camera. Of course, you can control this using the touchscreen itself, just like so. You also have controls right here on your steering wheel. And you have a touchpad here in your center console. Alright, you'll also notice more AMG badging as well as the ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle. That's all fully customizable within the menu system as well. Just go to your comfort setting. You got some various seat settings that we won't go over here, but pretty cool. You can easily make some adjustments and customize the vehicle just how you'd like. Okay. Below our display we have climate controls here. We've got cup holders. You've got your dynamic switch here. This is how you'll switch between different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle handles for you here. Okay, you've got some buttons here to access some of the functions on the display quickly, as well as volume controls as well. And then there is our shifter. Okay. Go ahead and hop out, show you a few more things here. And again, if you're interested in a full walkthrough, or even setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website. We'd love to set that up for you here. So rear seats, quick peek back up front. Another look at your sunroof. And coming around to the back of the vehicle, we've got our AMG badging, Mercedes, and our CLA 35 badging. And we've got our trunk space here. And there you have our 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA 35 AMG 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle or setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.